Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, tonight we are going to be testing out a new fire pit right after this. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. It's about 39 degrees out here tonight, and we're out here testing out the Bali Outdoor 42-inch gas fire pit, okay? This is a 2-in-1 fire pit, okay? Of course, it had the fire pit in the middle, and it came with 15 pounds of beautiful glass stones, okay? And then on the outside of it, it has a ceramic edging that you can use as a table to hold your libations or your cigars or your wine or your food or whatever else you might deem needed to be outside on the patio on a cool night enjoying friends and family. Okay, this thing measures out at 42 inches wide and 24 inches in depth. All right, it is 24 and a half inches high. It uses a 20-pound propane tank. Okay, and the assembly was relatively straightforward. Okay, I'll show you the assembly right here. It only took about 30 minutes if it wasn't for the fact that I was utilizing the camera. Okay, so we'll go through the assembly and then we'll come back and give you my final thoughts. All right, the testing is done. It looks like it's working really well. We just got to wait for tonight so we can sit out here and watch a little TV with the ambiance of the fire. All right, let's wait till it gets dark. All right, guys, so that's it for the assembly. Like I said, it was quick, it was straightforward. I have to say that some of the parts didn't quite line up with the screw holes, but the steel was pliable enough to be able to coerce the holes over the screw mounts and be able to get the screws in there with no problems. All right, like I said, about 30 minutes of assembly time. This is durable enough to withstand dust, rain, cold weather, snow. But what I would do is get a cover on it, just in case you're in areas like I am, where this time of year there's ice and snow. I like to get it covered to keep the snow from accumulating within the burners and then making it waterlogged, giving it some type of problems. All right. But other than that, this is a fantastic fire pit. Okay, I want to thank the folks from Bali Outdoors for sending us this. We're going to use this and do more videos on this. Matter of fact, next time we'll probably cook some s'mores on here and do a few other little things. All right, because you can always do any type of cooking or what have you when you got a little fire in front of you. Okay, but the 60,000 BTUs of heat coming off of this is really, really nice, where nothing here is catching fire, but I can feel the heat coming off of this fire pit. So this is really nice. I may even bring my little TV out here and watch the Super Bowl tonight if it doesn't get too cold. Okay, but that's about it. Hey, thanks for watching. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have one of these. All right, and as we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or a Bali outdoor 42-inch 2-in-1 gas fire pit, putting some heat out for your friends, family, and fun. Hey, until next time, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker or around the fire pit. See you guys in the next video.